Still thinking about where to go for Christmas vacation? Amsterdam? Nah. Moscow? Nah. New York? Nah. Shanghai? Nah. Come to Taipei, because you're going to experience the most unforgettable Christmas. It's not going to be a cliche white Christmas, but a wow Christmas. Wow one. You don't have to squat in your backyard and like shivering, wearing gloves, making your little snowman. Instead, you can lie on the beach, bathing in the sunshine and making the hot mermaid by sand on the north coast of Taiwan. Wow 2. Santa Claus is still coming to town, but this year he's not going to visit you on his sleigh with his reindeer. Instead, he will ride his water motorcycle half naked and meet you on the beach. Wow 3. Here comes the wowest part. Still decorating the little 6 feet high Christmas tree in your little house? This year, you got the chance to decorate the tallest tree on earth. That is the Taipei 101 Christmas tree. And the ornament is not going to be the normal little socks and light bulbs. This year, you can decorate the tree by your own wishes. We will provide you shiny balls which you can write your wishes on, and we will hang it for you. And if you're not satisfied with this ordinary idea, you can even create your own stars. We're having a competitions for you to design your own stars. And the stars can be anything. You can be the ad for your company, your country, or it can be personal, like a symbol to show your love. And the person who got the most votes, his stars will be put on the top of the tree. So that means you can be seen by the whole world.